So I used to steal my mom's pencil liners. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 10. Welcome to Vlogmas day 10. I know I'm looking a little busted. I thought I could do so I'm not feeling too well today, so we're probably just gonna stay home. Here's Jade. Jaden's taking a nap. So I thought I could do a little quick get ready with me and how I get ready every morning pretty much. And as a mom, there's not much I would do to my face, so I'm probably doing all these steps super wrong, but like I just try to wake all this area up for her, my eyes. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll see if I have the energy and time to do the kitchen. I want to redo the countertops again with some contact paper. We have black marble paper in there, and I want to do white. Hopefully that works out. Jaden's taking a nap right now, so that all depends on how much time I have. And yeah, so let's get started on how I do my everyday makeup. I don't usually use primer, but for the sake of this video, I'll do primer. So I'm using the Milani Prime Shield primer. It goes on like really buttery. Like, not even buttery, it's just so smooth. It's buttery. My eyebrows aren't even. They've never really been even. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this eyebrow is, this one's always been my favorite eyebrow, and it's a little bit lower down here, and this one's higher on bottom and top. And I've tried to even them out, but I think like you just can't do it yourself. I don't know, I have to find a way to like even them out really good. But when I draw them in, usually they're pretty even. But this one doesn't grow out that much on the bottom, and this one does. So like one time I plucked all the bottom up, but then just look weird. I don't know. I'm just letting them go natural. As you can see, they're getting a little hairy. I use this Salon Perfect brush, and it's an eyebrow brush. And I don't like this spoolie though, because it is getting a little flimsy. So I just use the spoolie from my concealer brush. So, I guess brush that out. I don't know, I have glitter all over myself. Okay, so that eyebrow came out horrible. I think I should just get a mirror or something. I'm just gonna go with some concealer. Okay, I think I'm gonna grab a mirror because it's a lot harder than I thought on the camera. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys what I'm using my eyebrows. For the products, I'm using this NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. And this one is in the color Espresso. And then for concealer, I'm using the Milani 05. I can never find this color, but luckily I found it. Yeah, so far that's what I'm using on my eyebrows. I think I'm gonna change the camera angle because the lighting is better this way. Oh, way better. I guess I can conceal. Right. That's how first thing. Now I conceal So then I'll take my banana powder from NYX and set that. I've like tried baking with it, but I noticed some flashback from the camera. I don't know if I wasn't doing it right, like if I didn't take it all off right. I feel like that was the case, but I'll just set it on like if it's setting powder, not really like baking. So make sure this is rubbed out okay. Make sure there's no creasing. I honestly can't even put the blame on my kids because they have a bedtime and they've always had a bedtime since they were both 6 months, which is 7:30, but then they wake up super early, so I feel like that's what gets me tired. And then Justin comes home, so I try to spend time with him, and yeah, I should be going to bed earlier, but I don't. And then Vlogmas right now, I'll be editing around 7 to like 8, 9ish, depending how long the video is and where I have to get the footage from, whether it's my phone, the cameras, or Justin's phone. And then yeah, so that's what I edit. And now I do my eyeliner. I love eyeliner. I've always done eyeliner since I was like in middle school. But oh my god, my eyeliner was horrible. Up until like high school was horrible. Because my mom never let us really wear makeup. She said you had to wear makeup after you were 15. So once we were 15, we're like, yeah, we're gonna wear makeup. But like, she wouldn't even really buy us makeup, and if she did, it was probably from Swami, which no shade because Swami has pretty bomb eyeliner. Then again, I didn't like know what kind of eyeliner I was supposed to use or nothing like that. So I used to steal my mom's pencil liners, and then like I tried to do a wing liner with those, and it just looked bad. I did the whole like black waterline thing too. It looked bad. Let's just say that. Something about curling your natural lashes. We were blessed with like really long lashes, but I think that sucks about them is they're like straight down. I don't know if you can see this way, but they just go like snuffle up, I guess. So yeah, I usually like I said, I just try to focus on my eyes. Just get that I slept look. I ain't tired look. Mom life is easy look. That's all that matters, right? You won't ever know you tired AF. That is I guess I could do a little bit of contour. So ignore my baby hairs, guys. I have a bunch of baby hairs because after I had the kids, I lost my hair. I was practically going bald, especially right here. I'm pretty much already bald right here, but that's just because of my birthmark. I don't know if you guys can see that little spot right there. But that's my hair doing really. So I'm gonna get my contour stuff and I'll be right back. Okay, here it is. My baby hairs are funny. I'm debating whether to cut my hair this short actually, so it just all kind of goes out together. But anyways, I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York Master Contour. This is what my sister gave it to me for my birthday. The blush broke while we were on our Mexico trip, and it went all over my makeup. But I just took it out because it was too much of a mess. I know you can like save it and like get it back together, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I pretty much just do this to kind of like put a little bit of definition because my face looks a little flat. that is my everyday look. It might be weird to you guys, but it works for me. Keeps me feeling a little, see, that makes sense. But I'm just trying to get these baby hairs out of the way so you guys can see it. But battery's flashing, it's dying, so I don't know if this will be the last clip or if I will be doing the countertops in my kitchen. Hopefully I still have to charge this battery anyways. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial of mom makeup. Yeah.